Multiple choice questions on power plant engineering, part 12. Question number 111. The ratio of energy produced by a power plant to the installed capacity of plant is called as option A load factor, option B use factor, option C average load factor, option D demand factor. The correct answer is use factor. Let us see the explanation. Plant use factor is the ratio of energy produced in a given time to maximum possible energy that could be produced during actual number of hours of operation. So the plant use factor is equal to annual production of energy to operational hours in year capacity of plant. Question number 112. Drought in a boiler is important for option A removing combustible gases from boiler, option B for proper combustion of fuel, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Correct answer is both A and B, that is removing combustible gases from boiler and for proper combustion of fuel. Let us see the explanation. Draught in a boiler is important for removing combustible gases from boiler and for proper combustion of fuel to discharge these gases to the atmosphere through the chimney. Question number 113. On a boiler, one end of the water indicator, that means glass tube type, is connected to water space in boiler and other end is connected to option A open to atmosphere, option B steam space of boiler, option C superheater, option D another part of water space. The correct answer is option B steam space of boiler. Let us see the explanation. On a boiler, one end of the water indicator, that means glass tube type, is connected to water space in boiler and other end is connected to steam space of boiler. Question number 114. A device used to increase the temperature of saturated steam without raising its pressure is called option A stop valve, option B economizer, option C superheater, option D preheater. The correct answer is superheater. Let us see the explanation. Superheater is an important device of a steam generating unit. Its purpose is to increase the temperature of saturated steam without raising its pressure. It is generally an integral part of a boiler and is placed in the path of hot flue gases from the furnace. The heat given up by these flue gases is used in superheating the steam. Such superheaters which are installed within the boiler are known as integral superheaters. Question number 115. A steam jet issuing from a nozzle placed under the fire grate in the ash pit of the furnace is used to produce which type of draught? Option A natural, option B induced, option C forced, option D none of the options. The correct answer is forced. Let us see the explanation. Forced steam jet draught. When the steam jet issuing from a nozzle is placed in the ash pit under the fire grate of the furnace it is then known as forced steam jet draught. Question number 116. In a solar tower power stream, each mirror is mounted on a system is called option A regenerator, option B linear Fresnel, option C dish, option D heliostat. The correct answer is heliostat. Explanation: heliostat. Question number 117. An economizer in a steam generator performs the function of preheating the option A combustion air, option B feed water, option C input fuel, option D combustion air as well as input fuel. The correct answer is feed water. Let us see the explanation. The flue gases from the superheater enter the economizer and heat up the feed water. Economizer serves as a heat recovery system for the boiler. Question number 118. The following are ash handling systems. Option A hydraulic system, option B pneumatic system, option C steam jet system, option D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Explanation: here the given three options are ash handling systems, that is hydraulic system, pneumatic system and steam jet system. Question number 119. In a, in a thermal power plant, feed water heater is used to preheat the feed water by option A hot gases from the boiler furnace, option B steam from boiler, option C hot air from air preheater, option D turbine exhaust steam. The correct answer is turbine exhaust steam. Let us see the explanation. In a thermal power plant, feed water heater is used to preheat the feed water by turbine exhaust steam. Question number 120. Deaeration of feed water in a Rankine vapor cycle is carried out because it reduces option A cavitation of boiler feed pumps, option B corrosion caused by oxygen, option C heat transfer coefficient, option D pH value of water. The correct answer is corrosion caused by oxygen. Let us see the explanation. Deaeration of feed water in a Rankine vapor cycle is carried out because it reduces corrosion caused by oxygen. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.